what would you say to this man?
That's not me. That's not me. I know who that is. Looks horrible. Probably some poor habits. Gum disease did run in the family. They just fell out one at a time. Let's go get them pulled.
When we first met Nathan, he had periodontal disease. He was carrying a lot of bacteria. He couldn't even smile.
This working man attitude, but it's time to change, you know.
Having that first design, giving them that first confidence, it's crucial in planning with a design center.
Hi, Viorela, directly from the SD Planning Center. All good?
Well, Nathan, he came to us for a full mouth reconstruction. The easiest way to start a case is digitizing the patient, sending them to the Smile Design Center.
It's important to be functional, but also look good in patient's face.
Like I've seen other people get teeth. They look oversized or small or way too white.
You can approve the end result before you've even done any treatment.
This slide here shows all the different measurements that they take to create the right height and width for your new teeth.
We use a natural teeth library, the closest possible to his teeth.
And he didn't want to leave the rest of his life with removal of dentures, so he chose a dental implant.
Pretty much put my trust into them, and they nailed it 100%.
Then we moved forward to the surgical planning.
We already simulated everything that will be needed to achieve this.
Traditionally, we would have to extract teeth, do bone grafting. When we go to a guided surgery, everything is pre-planned.
This is a case that you need to place 6 implants in the upper arch.
A surgery like this probably takes less than an hour to place the implants.
The actual treatment is going to conserve as much of your natural tooth structure as possible.
Much faster healing, less swelling, less inflammation, less bruising.
And that was my biggest fear. None of that happened.
Nathan was very happy with the first try-in, but I wasn't.
Yeah, they gave me some temporaries. Walked out with those, and I was like, I'm done. Like, okay, this is it, right?
We kept pushing back. He looks like he needs a jaw surgery, but actually, instead of giving him jaw surgery, all we had to do is just open vertical dimension. Oh yeah, there you go. See, the teeth are still too high.
She is most certainly a perfectionist and really takes pride in the smiles that she creates for her patients.
Do you think this 1.2 will be enough?
Probably a little bit more, and then we can test another provisional, another temporary, and then see how his facial structure and his lips adapt. Every single time his lip would become longer and fuller. He would actually show teeth when he was smiling, when he was talking.
Nathan's smiling with his eyes right now. He has a whole different aspect, right?
He looks like 20 years younger, you know what I mean? But it took time.
First time I saw my smile, I shed a little tear. Went out to dinner that a couple days later for my daughter's graduation. Like, stop smiling so big. 'Cause I was like, I got teeth. I got teeth. 7 teeth, the full mouth restoration. It's time to move on. It's time to start doing life again.
He just looks so happy and so young and so healthy.
Appreciate you and your staff.
We appreciate you. Like I said, it's my favorite procedure just because it's so transformational.
It's worth every penny. I'm just grateful I chose Dr. Bauer, to be honest. At least go talk to them, you know.
Coming in for the first appointment is very easy. It's free, it's painless, and it's just informative.
I feel like I'm gonna go places with this. It's a life change. Big time.